I'm Tom for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Amazon Basics Fast Car Charger. So this is a car charger for Android phones or anything that uses a modern USB connection, and it's from Amazon Basics. And basically you just plug it into your car's accessory or cigarette lighter, they would used to call it, but now it's called an accessory outlet. There's a little LED on here that will illuminate, showing that you're getting power if the car is running. And then you have two pieces to this. There's a USB port where you can plug in if you had an iPhone or you had another kind of device that took USB and you had a cable for it, you could plug it in here. And then this also comes with a cable that I believe is about 4 or 5 feet. Good length to get up to the center console, and this is a USB, modern USB connection that would go into Samsung Galaxy S10 or other modern Android phone or other device that uses this kind of USB port. And this is a hardwired cable that goes directly in. So you have two options on here. You can either, again, use the USB or you can use the hardwired cable, and I think that's definitely helpful. And I like that this is connected directly to the charger, because then you're not having to worry about losing the cable or mistakenly pulling it loose like I sometimes do. And I like that it has a light, because sometimes if you don't put it in quite right or it gets jostled, you can see it looks like it's in, but it's actually not going to be charging. So you can make sure that it's really seated in there and getting power. Also, when you shut your car off, if you turn off the accessories, you might not be getting power, so you can always just check that little LED and see instantly. And the other thing I like about this, it is a fast charger. So it will work with a compatible phone to charge much more quickly than a standard USB. So it does have enough power to do that, and it has the built-in circuitry. You can see it can go up to 9 volts at 2 amps and charge a fast charging phone if your phone is compatible with that.